Hello everyone, welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about North America's most unique looking and range-restricted goldfinch species, the Lawrence's goldfinch. This bird has a super cool song that's a long string of jumbled sounds consisting primarily of imitations of other species' calls and songs. Let's have a listen. So with all the mimicking, how do we know this is a Lawrence's goldfinch and not something else? When we listen closely, we'll notice that it integrates enough of its very own distinctive calls. Listen for the high, tinkling, two-syllabled notes. Let's take one more listen to the song of the Lawrence's goldfinch.